Welcome to Flatbrookville. Flatbrookville, New Jersey. Once was a very populated town of at least 250 people, maybe more. This is the nice Flatbrook going through the town, and a little further down there it meets up with the Delaware River at what's called the Walpack Bend. Now that's the only place in New Jersey where you can walk into the river and you can look at Pennsylvania from the east. Pennsylvania is our western neighbor, but you can actually look and see Pennsylvania to the east in this location right here. We're pretty much in the center of Flatbrookville right now. Now where I'm standing right now, there would be stores and homes, churches, restaurants, and even a mill. We have the sign right there, Delaware Water Gap. So I'm part of the Walpack Historical Society. I'm a member there. And so you could see some of the old foundations that were once here. Now, I was told this is the driveway to go up to what was known as the St. Moritz Inn. It was a church, a bar, a restaurant, among other things. And this provided some of the entertainment for the residents and family, everybody. This is the old driveway, I was told. And obviously it's all overgrown now, or else I would go up there. But there's too many ticks out for this time, and it's almost the end of summer. It's August 27th. And if you go over that bridge, you see Millbrook Village, Blue Mountain Lakes, and Crater Lake. Three great places to go. And we're walking down Main Street here. Well, this is technically Old Mine Road, I guess. Yeah, Old Mine Road. This is the Flatbrook. Now, going along this road, it's very bumpy. So if you decide to come down here, just be careful with your car. It's not well maintained, but it's doable. Now, if I was standing right here, you would have some general stores, the church, there was some schools, there was a mill over here, and houses, private houses. So this wasn't always like this. It wasn't always overgrown like this. There was once a thriving town here, a very thriving town. Unfortunately, the Tox Dam project kind of kicked everybody out of here through eminent domain, took their houses, their livelihoods, and I think we all know the story of that. But if you don't, look up Tox Island Dam Project and read some interesting history. Now this is the only remaining house in this village here. This is the Rosenkrans house. Now, I was told this was on the 1860 census, so this house has been around since before 1860, and it's beautiful, very beautiful. They keep it very nice. And I was also told this was a garage where they would fill up with gas for the motorcycles and such. Beautiful house. And here's the Flatbrookville sign that was donated by the Walpack Historical Society and Sussex County Board of Commissioners. It was only put up about last week, a week and a half ago? No, last week. You could pause that if you want to read it. This house is owned by Eugene Rosenkrans. Absolute beautiful property in this nice little hamlet. The further up here you walk, I think there was the fire department building. They had their own little fire department too. They had many things going on in this small little town. It's hard to believe that this once was a town, but we're keeping history alive by trying to preserve it. And if you walk further down here, a mile or so maybe, the Decker Ferry House is down here. It's still in pretty decent condition, honestly. The ferry used to go all the way to Pennsylvania, across the river, attached to some trees. And there's also the Smith ferry, I think, was further down too. And then also further down is the Lower Walpack Cemetery, which I suggest, if you're interested in the Walpack area, come check this place out. You won't regret it. And while you're in Walpack, come see us at the Walpack Historical Society and consider becoming a member. It's not very expensive, but you'll be helping to support what's left of Walpack and Flatbrookville, Walpack Center, the Methodist Church in Walpack Center. In the spring and summer, there's meetings at the Walpack Methodist Church. The Historical Society has meetings there, and they do tours, they do hikes, mostly like on Sundays, the weekends. But if you're interested in preserving Walpack and Flatbrookville and everything else in Walpack, the Van Campen Inn, consider becoming a member. I think individual memberships are $15, family is $25, and corporate is like $50, or And then life member, it's like 100, 200. But it's an absolute beautiful area. And I hope you enjoyed my little tour of Flatbrook. The little fire department is down here on the right, the little building. But I think this video is pretty long as it is, so I hope you enjoyed my video of Flatbrookville. Thanks for watching.